Hi there, this is J12. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Nitro engine from your RC car. For this tutorial I'm going to be using Atme's MB16. Often you may need to remove the engine from the car to either fix the engine or sometimes even get to things that are in small spaces around the engine, so you need to remove it to make things easier. And that's where you need to know how to remove the engine from the car. The first thing is there are 4 screws underneath the car. They need to obviously be removed. Normally you find them right underneath the engine. These 4 just here. Okay, so let's just remove them screws from the vehicle. Sometimes they can be ordinary Phillips screws. These ones are actually small hex screws which you can remove either using your hex wrench or an Allen key like the one I'm using here. And do the same for all and do the same for all 4 screws. Remove them. Okay, once you've removed the screws, flip the car back over once again, and then what you need to do is simply remove the fuel line from the engine, and then one other thing, it depends on what kind of vehicle you have, but there is a throttle linkage which opens the carb here. Now you can either take it off here or you can simply remove this screw. I'm actually going to remove this screw, which I find is easier because taking this bit off here can often be a real headache to put back on again. And then there is your engine. Remove the line that goes to the exhaust, and then there you have your engine, ready for repairs, replacement, or even to make some changes around the car where the engine stays. Thanks very much. Also check the other video how to put it back in again. Thank you.